So this is how to close a Wealthsimple account. So once you guys open up Wealthsimple, on the home screen here, go to the top right and select the profile icon. Once the profile icon is selected, once again, go to the top right and select, this time, the gear icon. Once the gear icon is selected, you are on the settings page right here. I want you to go to the very top to where it says accounts and select that. Now under the accounts page right here, you're going to be able to view all of the current accounts that you have opened, as well as, previously closed accounts. But in this case, I'm just going to go ahead and select on my non-registered account as an example. So once the account is selected, which it has been right now, if you were to scroll all the way to the bottom, you'll see an option that says close account. It's pretty straightforward. Make sure that you guys go ahead and select close account. Make sure that you guys remove all of the money out of this account and that you're not closing an account that has money in it. Now, if you want to go ahead and delete your account entirely, you don't just want to close one account, go ahead and just back out of this option. Once you're on the settings page right here, I want you to go to personal information this time and select that. Then if you were to scroll all the way to the bottom to where it says delete profile, you can go ahead and select that option right there to delete the entire account and not just close an individual one. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to close a Wealthsimple account. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.